Hi, I'm Daniel.
I'm Nicole.
I'm DK.
And you're watching episode 13 of Gear65, Tech65's weekly gadget show, where every week we show you a brand new piece of gadget. And this week we're taking a look at the Lenovo ThinkPad X200.
Can you guys see it? So slim and side.
So I actually haven't played with the X200 yet. So Nicole, you want to tell us a little bit about it, design and stuff like that?
Sure. One thing you should know that it gives very nice surface towards the...
It's very slim.
Very slim.
Very slim, very small form factor.
Yep. Weighs about 1.2 kg, making it one of the most ultra portable laptops.
Okay. I noticed it's kind of like slanted to one side, right?
Yep.
The computer. So you can show us the side, the computer. Yeah, so it's pretty interesting actually how it actually slants downwards and
yes.
to actually raise the screen up.
And it makes it very comfortable for the wrist to actually rest and start typing. What you notice now is that the X200 comes with an extended battery pack.
Okay.
Usually it'll be more flush towards this handles.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Then you see and here the button. This is to cushion the impact when you put it on the table. Like when you do this, so it's sort of like cushion the impact. They say that it came from the inspiration of a mouse. Cat's paw.
Yep.
Okay. And I noticed what are these things here?
Well, it's actually where if you spill water on your keyboard,
that's where the water come out.
This is an outlet where the water will just drain out from the
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
three
holes.
So just don't block them.
And yeah, because I noticed nowadays, right? Now a lot of computers they usually try and add a lot of things here and there, and but this computer is a bit different, right? They actually took some things out, right? You want to see one of the things that you might notice. Let's take a look at some of the ports, the connectivity stuff. Okay. So usual stuff, AC adapter, 2 USB ports, Ethernet and VGA and stuff like that. The Wi-Fi switch here.
And there's a low.
Okay. Is this an express card slot? No?
Yes.
Express card slot. The heatsink is a bit big.
Yeah, it is golden as well.
It's made of copper actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a copper.
So is it hot?
No, actually it's really cool.
Okay.
And so advantage of having this and putting this in between is that you don't accidentally. I tend to do this with my own computer because the Ethernet port and the power port is so close to each other. You tend to accidentally plug into the wrong one.
Yeah. I really like the way they structure. They position the USB ports.
Okay.
So that you really can put in devices which are slightly bulkier.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. That's very true.
In fact, having 3 USB ports is quite generous.
Yeah, shows the third one actually the other side.
So one is actually here.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you get all your usual headphone.
Usual everything except the CD-ROM drive.
Yes.
Yeah, if you notice there's no CD-ROM drive in this computer. I thought it was actually quite shocking because a computer of this size actually doesn't have a CD-ROM drive. I mean, yeah, in a way nowadays we don't really use CD-ROM drives that much anymore.
Yeah, everything is in the cloud.
Yeah, everything is in the cloud.
Removing and by making the CD-ROM drive optional accessory, actually reduces the weight.
Well, the CD-ROM drive is on their docking station.
Yeah, and it also functions as they have a separate accessory that actually is a USB CD-ROM drive.
Okay. And another thing that I noticed that's missing is actually the touchpad.
Yes.
So instead of the traditional touchpad that you usually have, right? So you actually get the touch point here, and some people might complain, but actually really it's actually the touch point is actually it's more precise.
I love it.
Like that. Yeah.
I'm so in love with it.
Yeah.
I think I'll feel lost without it.
So now that we're here, how's the keyboard?
Keyboard is very comfortable. It's like it's actually the same keyboard as compared to the other ThinkPads.
Okay.
Just that for this one, it has additional keys.
Okay, for the media controls, right?
Yeah,
for the
media
display and stuff like that.
It works very well for Windows Media Player.
Yeah.
I have not tried it on iTunes, but it essentially should work.
Okay, and one of the great things about ThinkPads is always the software. Is it any different from this one?
The Think Vantage system.
Oh, okay.
You actually get the full productivity center shortcut here, but they still have the individual functions here. One thing which I particularly like would be the function F5, where you actually get access to wireless radio and stuff.
And Bluetooth as well.
Yep. And you can actually have a very nice graphical view of all the Wi-Fi connections around you.
Okay, yeah, that's very cool.
And also you can select the profile of where you are. Like say if I'm outside and I want to connect to wireless at S3 hotspot, this profile has already my predetermined settings.
Okay.
I can even program my homepage and stuff.
Okay.
So when I activate this profile, whatever it loads will be reflected to my browser. Let's say I change my homepage to the login page for Wi-Fi.
Yep.
It will be reflected.
Okay, that's interesting. Yeah. And there's other stuff found here.
Like function F7.
So you have battery and this is okay.
This is
Function F7. Yeah, function F7. This is the display scheme. So this is actually also another very cool thing. It lets you switch to extended display. I noticed very quickly, and as presenter view as well. I think it's great because you know, it's really, if you, depending on your work, having a second display is actually very useful, right? You know, if you're a developer, video editor or stuff like that.
It's good for those who have a lot of presentation to do.
Yeah, or they just do a lot of work with a lot of information lah. So like I do. So you know, usually the way you have to switch to extended display, you have to go to display properties and all that kind of stuff.
It actually cuts down your user clicks, and you really can get it.
You can just do it right here. I think that's very cool.
Another thing to highlight about it would be the battery settings.
Okay.
Function F3. I can easily change it to every other mode like Energy Star, even optimizing the power source or maximum battery life. But one thing everyone should take note would be activating the battery stretch.
Okay.
Actually, what it does is to actually dim your LCD all the way to its lowest level.
Okay.
Disable audio playback.
Okay.
But your Wi-Fi is still enabled, so you can still surf the net
And connect to the cloud, yes.
Yeah,
So how long does it stretch?
On a full charge, can stretch to about 9 hours. Maximum
Wow.
of 9 hours.
That's pretty impressive.
That's the whole day, man.
I
Yeah.
tried it myself, and I'm very pleased with the way it actually manages my settings and everything.
Okay.
And I've tried it, and when I have only about 1 hour of battery life left, right? When you activate it, it can squeeze out almost another hour of battery for you.
Okay. So I'm looking at the keyboard right now, and I notice there's actually a trackpad mouse thing, but there's no trackpad.
There's no touchpad.
I think it's the same keyboard for all the ThinkPad series.
Yeah, that's kind of funny.
One quick note, comment about the camera is that although it's only 1.3 megapixel, but it's in low lighting, it still gives a very clear image.
You want to show us the camera? You see the application actually launches the camera?
Actually, I use it on MSN.
Okay, but do you have okay, so there isn't actually an application inside here for camera. I mean, this is a business computer, so but take Nicole's word for it. She tried it with MSN video and stuff like that. Yeah. So MSN Messenger, right?
And MSN Messenger video call.
Okay.
Oh, there's also a keyboard light here.
Keyboard lights.
Yeah, this is it's like a traditional Lenovo ThinkPad thing, right? Most ThinkPads have a light. So yeah,
good to use when you're in a flight.
How much is the computer retailing at?
About 2,500.
2,500.
Yeah.
Okay, Intel Centrino 2. Okay, and
By the way,
Buenos Vista Business.
It also comes in a tablet version,
Oh,
the X200T.
okay. Yeah, that's very cool.
It also allows you to replace an existing hard disk with a solid state drive.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot to mention this one. The fingerprint scanner, right? It's in a kind of awkward position because it's at the armrest, right? Armrest, the handrest, the palm
The older
rest.
series are all at the side.
Yeah. Why do they do that? It's kind of strange,
I
actually.
don't know, I just believe it's a minor issue, but apart from that, it does not interfere.
It doesn't
with
activate
use.
by accident, right?
Yes.
Okay. At least it doesn't do that.
They
so
only
that's fine.
use this for the lock-in part.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's actually very accurate, actually.
Okay.
A first-time ThinkPad user,
Okay.
and I'm really very impressed with what I'm actually playing with.
Okay.
It's actually no major complaints about it, and I love doing this.
Okay.
Okay, nobody is sending us any review unit for this from this day onwards.
So in summary, this is the X200. Is this their latest Lenovo ThinkPad?
No, actually.
Not really, no. Yeah, so, but you know, 2005?
Yep.
2005 for
Actually,
here.
it's the perfect gadget for overall road warrior.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's great. I love the design. I mean, the one thing about Lenovo's ThinkPads is that they may not look very pretty, but you know,
They're very durable.
quite durable.
Very
Yeah,
functional also.
Yeah. So if you have any gadgets you want to send, 65 bits at Gear65 at tech65.org. That's our email address.
Yep.
You can check out all our past episodes, tech65.org. More Gear65 as well as 65 bits episodes there. So that's it. I'm Daniel.
I'm Nicole.
Okay, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.